That's awesome. You got 1, 2, and 3, right? These are gonna go here. Yeah. See how my pinky kind of ends up right in the ring there?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then my thumb can kind of go right here. The left hand, the other hand, this one, we're gonna kind of grab those rings. That way you can like take a break with your other hand.
So without that one, put like this.
We're not gonna press any of these notes yet.
Yeah.
Let's just go for no hand. I mean, you can put it there if you want, whatever you're comfortable with. And we'll take a deep breath. That's okay. That was good. We'll feel higher. Whoa, that's perfect. That was like exactly what I wanted right there. Let's do it one more time with a deep breath.